Aloha and welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I am going to make the ultimate breakfast. I have all the ingredients here that I'll be using. I have sausage meat, potatoes, some chopped up greens, bacon, onions, and the spices I'm going to use for our sausage meat, and then our eggs, and the rest I'll show later on in the video. So first of all, I am going to mix so I have about 200 grams of sausage meat. I have about a cup of chopped greens. I've got green pepper in there, or capsicum. I chop them up fine. I will add about a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So we're going to mix them through. Add some salt. So that's our sausage meat. I'm going to shape them, put it on a plate. Just sprinkle some flour on our plate. And I am going to shape our sausage meat. Feel free to use some flour. Okay. And then just shape them into patties like that. Our next one is our potatoes. So we will make a hash brown with these potatoes. I'm going to grate our potatoes. Okay, so on the potatoes, we're going to sprinkle some salt on these potatoes. And then we'll leave it on the side for about 5 minutes. And then we will squeeze the water off and get it ready to cook. The next step of our recipe, I'm going to make a hollandaise sauce. So I have 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of water. I am going to use my so we'll put that aside and we'll move on to our next ingredient. Just a little bit of oil. I'm going to cook the rest of our potatoes. Okay. Just shape up your potatoes. I don't want to add too much flavoring to the potatoes. I'm just adding, because I added salt earlier on. We've got a lot of flavoring in our patties, our bacon and our hollandaise sauce. So we just want to leave the potatoes flavoring as plain as we can. Our potatoes are cooked now. Our giant hash brown, I should call it. Our sausage patties are cooked too. It's resting on the side. I am just going to cook one poached egg. So I've cracked an egg in there, in the bowl, and I'm going to slowly release it in the boiling water. Leave it at that now. So in here I will transfer our giant hash brown. Also add our sausage meat. I will put some of our bacon on the side here. On the side here I've got some spinach that I blanch, boil it, and then I dip it in icy cold water. This is our breakfast dish, so I'm going to taste our breakfast. Let's cut our hash brown and some of our minced patty, or sausage I would say. You can taste the the greens and the spices that I added to our sausage patty. Some of our spinach. Some of the eggs. Our hollandaise sauce is quite nice. That's our ultimate breakfast. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for cooking with me this morning. Thank you to all those who have subscribed and shown their support. Thank you for viewing my videos and for subscribing. Take care and be safe, and I will catch up in the next episode. Bye for now.